Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road. It's the first day of school, or at least the first full day of school. Yesterday, kids who were new to their building went, so kindergartners, sixth graders, things like that. And today, it's everybody. And oh my goodness, it's nervous excitement for sure. And for my part of it, the hard part now is rebuilding the schedule. We've had a bunch of changes. There's been changes in personnel, as there always is each year, but there's also been changes in schools. There's two schools that have had expansions. One changed into a K-8, going from a middle school. So lots of things that go along with that logistically, just trying to figure out who I can see and when I can see them. Because as always, the goal for what I do is I want to be able to visit everybody every week, ideally, and to do so at a time that is convenient for the teachers, meaning I don't want to interrupt the learning. There's so little classroom time for learning already anyway, and I want to make sure that I'm supporting everyone the best that I can for what they need. And as I've talked about before, sometimes that's just lending a sympathetic ear, it's dropping stuff off, picking stuff up, whatever expertise I might happen to have, offering that, and stuff like that. But it's a very large puzzle, and it's difficult to kind of see all the pieces at first, and it's going to come into focus here in the next couple weeks. But it's just redoing it each year is definitely a challenge, and it's a fun project, but it makes today even more chaotic because I'm trying to figure out where to go and when to go there and to do that. And once again, if you are a teacher and you're in our general area and would benefit from having one of our ed reps coming to support you and your program and what you're doing and your mission of helping kids to love music through making music, let us know. We will put you in contact with the appropriate person, and we'll come by and visit and help you in your mission to educate them. So that's what's going on this week. First day of school, yay, glad to be back. Thank you for watching View from the Road. As always, let me know what you think. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.